Hello, I'm Hades, and this is the Cat Report. And I couldn't care less. Why am I doing this again? Why? Just leave me alone. God's sakes, don't you people have anything better to do than watch cats on the internet? Gah. But anyway, Persephone will be here shortly. She just got back from a hair trimming appointment because she has had large mats in her fur for a very long time, and the humans finally decided to get off their lazy butts and actually do something about it. So she'll come back in a moment, and I'm sure she'll be just as she used to be, and what the
Thanks a lot for the support, you jerk.
Persephone? What in the Hello Kitty happened to you?
It's like you said. They took me to get shade because I was having so many mats in my beautiful, gorgeous fur. And there's absolutely no way it'll ever come back.
You do know that hair grows, right?
It'll never come back.
Alrighty then. So, while we wait for Persephone to calm down and come back to reality, we present you with a montage of the events that we've had before we moved into this new place. Enjoy.
You'll be short-haired and ugly forever. All of my 9 lives are ruined. Persephone. Hey. She's just staring at me. Persephone. Cat. Kitty. First now. She's staring at me. She's not going up to visit. She just stares at me. Judge me. She's judging me. Persephone. Hey, girl. Hello. You just continue to stare into my soul and judge me. Yes? What are you up to? What are you up to? What do you think you're doing? Oh, she's up to something. Hades? Yeah, he just ran away from me. Hades, come on. Oh, shush. You're fine. You're fine. Look how cute he is. Hades, are you on the internet again? Who are you talking to? Okay, fine, don't tell me. I'll just let you get back to your Skype call.
cats are getting smarter every day. Oh my god, this is a bad sign. Hades! Hades! What are you doing? He's just staring at me. Hades! What? I don't know if you can hear his meow, but it's the most manliest meow that ever meowed before. And by manly, I mean not manly at all. But look at him, he's so cute. Hades! What? 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 What is your issue, cat? I don't speak Catanese. I'm sorry for that joke, but I had to. Hades, what? What is your issue, cat?
Are you done now?
I've moved on to acceptance. I'll be okay.
Oh, thank God for that. The crying can stop. Okay. Now, before we head on to the report, we've prepared another little subsection for you. This is a little montage of the weird places that Persephone likes to sleep. I mean, seriously, what the hell?
And the documentation of how weird my cats are continues as I come down to find Persephone sitting in this bowl. I didn't put her in here. She just hops in this thing all the time. She can sit in this thing all the time and she sleeps in it. Persephone! What? What are you? You are such a weirdo. She sits in this thing ever since she was a kid and she's sitting in this thing. And look at her. Look at this. Persephone! You are such a weird cat. You are a weirdo. And now she's gonna look at me like, get away from me. Persephone, you are so bizarre. You are so weird. And Persephone is in a box. I did not put her in here. She just chose to be in here of her own free will. Yeah. Persephone, you are the strangest cat ever. Yeah, just watch this. She does nothing. Absolutely nothing. Persephone, you're just gonna let this happen. Really? Nothing to add to this? Seffi, what are you doing? What sort of a cat are you? Seffi, what sort of a cat are you? What sort of a cat? You're so bizarre. You're so weird. Ladies, do you not agree that she's weird? Stephanie. And no, she's still staying in the box. Yep, these are the cats. Good afternoon, everyone. I come home to my bathroom and there's a cat in my sink. Very unusual plumbing problem I have right now. I'm not too sure what to do when you have a cat in your sink. It's a very odd, very strange cat in your sink. Really? The couch wasn't available? You have chairs, you have the floor, no, sink. Really, this was your first choice. This was your first choice in places to sleep. And she fits perfectly in here, too. Look at the shape. She fits absolutely perfectly. It's like the sink was made for you, Persephone. I just came out of my room to check on the cats, and I find Persephone in this What on earth are you doing in there? What? Why are you in there? Persephone! You are such a weirdo! What are you doing in here? Oh no, you're going for a ride. Oh no, okay.
That bag was cozy. What it was?
I'll take your word for it. Okay, now with the actual report.
In terms of the episode progress, we are still waiting on word from one of the voice actors to finish his role. Otherwise, we can continue with the episode, but for the most part, everyone else's lines have been gathered in, so all we have to do is get his lines in and another person's, and then, boom! The new episode and Q&A will be up, and soon after that, the bloopers!
So, in terms of what Yasha's produced recently, she has produced a new segment called Yasha's Extrospectives. Wait, Extrospectives? How the heck do you pronounce this? When will these people learn how to write a script that I can actually read? Wait a minute. I can read?
Why, yes we can, Hades, and you should not be questioning why. So this is a series where Yasha goes on camera and discusses the previous X-Men films, all up until the new one. So, if you want to know her thoughts on the previous X-Men films, you can check out her video.
How can we read if we're cats? I don't understand how we do this. But anyway, she will also be continuing the Amnesia series, in which she goes around and plays something called a game. I don't know what it is. And apparently the first part accidentally got deleted, so if anybody actually cares, she will post it back up.
Oh, wait a minute, this just in! The channel of XMETAS has reached 1,000 subscribers!
Oh my god! What's a subscriber?
I don't know, do you eat it?
I don't know, it sounds like it'll taste of bitterness and regret.
And in other news, she will be producing several song parodies. Some related to X-Men, and some related to something called Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I have no idea what that is, but she sounds like she enjoys it.
We also need to inform you all that the series called Oron Host Club Abridged is also going to proceed as soon as Yasha and Devil Kick Sanji, the co-writers, can actually get onto a Skype call and discuss the next episode. Oh, and these guys called the Brotherhood Boys made a song or whatever, so yeah, you guys can go check that out. God knows they need the ratings. And why does that guy with the white hair sound like me? How do I know what white is? I'm colorblind. What is going on here?
Still, if you guys want more constant updates on XMETAS related things, then follow Yasha on Twitter. I'm a cat and even I know what this thing is. How sad is that?
And that concludes the Cat Report. Thank you all for joining us. I'm the Cat Hades.
And I'm the cat Persephone.
So thank you all for joining us, and see you all next time, and I really need to start questioning some things.